see that? I can hardly believe my eyes.
Stay back for a moment. This looks like someone who has been lost for a very long time. You must be very thirsty after being out here for so long.
Thank you for your kindness. It is exactly what I needed to keep going.
Why did the construction worker bring a ladder to the bar?
Because he heard the drinks were on the house. Why did the tree get an award?
Because it was outstanding in its field. After all these years of searching the deep woods, I finally found the place where the light meets the spirit, and it is more beautiful than I imagined.
যদি ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগে তাহলে লাইক, সাবস্ক্রাইব এবং শেয়ার করতে ভুলবেন না।